Welcome back, and cheers to the new school year from the Cool Team. What better way to stir up excitement with your students than by hosting a welcome back celebration with Cool Tropics 100% juice slush. Celebrate with our newest members of the family, raspberry passion fruit or Welch's mango peach. Serve up classic favorites like Paradise Punch, Kiwi Strawberry, or Welch's Hula Cooler, and bring back the crowd noise in your cafeteria. Shelf-stable slushie in a pouch makes service a cinch, and our refreeze option means nothing goes to waste. Remix! We are so excited to welcome you to 2022. So much to do and the school year is new. So we'll give you a clue. You gotta gather your crew and sip a cool tropics or two.